The Lamborghini Revuelto has received an aftermarket Aero program from 1016 Industries. The kit is available in narrowbody and widebody configurations, with paintable FRP, twill carbon, or forged carbon options. The package includes an aftermarket front hood, a front apron with side blades, side skirt extensions, and a new rear wing. This example also features a satin gray exterior, black aerodynamic components and wheels, red brake calipers, and rear pillar decals. 1016 Industries is advertising visual modifications only, so the Revuelto retains its 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 and 3 electric motors. The plug-in hybrid powertrain produces 1,001 horsepower, allowing a 2.5-second 0 to 62 miles per hour time and a 217 mile per hour top speed.